Hello and welcome to another video here on DAX Wednesdays. In this video, we're going to have a look at three DAX functions called upper, lower, and trim. These DAX functions belong to the text family of DAX functions. Let's switch to Power BI for the demonstration. So this is going to be a very short demonstration as these three DAX functions are very basic. Over here, we have a data set called Fantastic Four, and I have listed few of the characters or the other secondary characters that appear in the Fantastic Four story arcs, such as Mr. Fantastic, the Invisible Woman, Human Torch, Doctor Doom, etc. I have a third column where I have listed few of their catchphrases. Like for instance, Ben Grimm or the Things catchphrase is "It's clobbering time." So the first DAX function that we want to have a look at is called upper. What does upper do is it will convert the text or the whole column that is of data type text into the uppercase. So over here I'm going to put in the column name character and close the bracket. Now I'll see what it has done is it has returned all the text that we have in the character column in the uppercase. We had Mr. Fantastic in this format. Now it is all caps in all the uppercase. The second DAX function is, you guessed it right, it will convert the text or the whole column with the data type text into the lowercase. I'm going to select the character column name one more time. Now you'll see it has returned to us the values in all lowercase. The last DAX function is called trim. So what does trim do? This time around, instead of choosing the character column, I'm going to choose the catchphrase column. If you can have a look at the values in catchphrase, yes, we do have the catchphrase, but you'll see few blank spaces in front of it, in the middle. So what does trim do is it will remove all the spaces from a string and it will keep single space between two words. For instance, flame on will have one space in between it. I'll type in catchphrase as the input and I will see it has returned to us these catchphrases which are trimmed, which are formatted correctly, so there are no blank spaces where there shouldn't be. Every two word has a space in it. So this is among the basic DAX function that you can use in order to clean your data, especially when your data type is of text type. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments below of what you thought about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.